I am here doing a quick review of the NADALY cordless vacuum. It's the first cordless vacuum that I've ever owned, so I don't have much to compare it to, but it's super lightweight, has like crazy turn and maneuverability. Yeah, I have only hard floors, so I haven't used it on carpet yet, but I have also a really small space. It takes me all about 5 minutes to vacuum. Haven't had to change or charge the battery yet. It comes with a rack you can drill into the wall, but I am renting and not interested in drilling any holes. I actually prefer to vacuum when it's kind of like dark-ish, because you'll see in a minute when I turn it on, it has a light, which is really handy, and it shows me all the crumbs. So here's a quick review. As you can see, now it's gonna be a minute. As you can see, it's able to get in between the table and chairs and all that kind of stuff. You don't even really have to move it. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, and customer service is great. They sent a free gift, a year warranty, and either the choice of a free battery or 2 free filters. I chose the battery. Thanks, I definitely recommend it. Great price and can't beat it. Thanks.
Hi, we're reviewing the NADALY ME02 vacuum cleaner. We've had it for about a week now. We actually clean houses for a living, so we're pretty hard on our products, and we love this little vacuum cleaner. We're using it in our own home just for picking up stuff right around the house, and it turns out it works great. So we're just going to show you in action real quick. This is the low setting. As you can see, it tears up.
Medium.
That's medium. And this is full power.
Okay.
The lights are really powerful on them. That's a pretty big deal for us. As you can see, it corners great. And we're really impressed so far with the battery life. So we would highly recommend this vacuum cleaner to anybody looking for a simple cordless vac for some stuff around the house. Thanks for looking at our videos. Have a good day.
All right, watch this. Vacuum. Oh wow, look at that. It looks like it's cleaning up. Oh, that's good. See, it's getting all this stuff. Oh yeah, that's good. That's a good vacuum. Look at that. Cleaned all that stuff up. However, wait for it. You better have your dustpan ready. Because all you have to do, turn it off. And look at that. It just falls right out. So anyway, if you're looking at getting this vacuum right here, don't.